people's perceptions of Bradford need to change. We work as communities. This is our city. We are vibrant, we care, we are joyful, we love everybody. It's really important that on International Women's Day we recognise the mums of the community. The Empowering Mums project focuses on radicalisation and grooming, how to spot it, take steps to ensure it doesn't happen, where you could go if it does happen. We're all just mums, we want the same thing. We have different views and different religions and experiences, but ultimately we all just want the same thing, and that's just to look after kids, keep them safe.
There was a certain mum who, she said she didn't like Muslims. She always thought, you know, they're terrorists, and basically come out with all the points that we always heard ever since we were kids.
It's on both parties. It's not just English people or white people, or it's not just Asian people or black people, it's both.
So it then became a safe space for us all to communicate and share those ideas and challenge them in a way where we weren't suddenly going to be labelled as racist or causing issues. We were just mums getting to know each other and explore the situation and facts around it.
Never mind empowering minds, it just blew my mind. I had me things, well, how come there's so many Asian people moving into the area? My theory then was, it's them and us, but that isn't them and us now, it's we or people.
We do need more of a diverse community. We do need people from every part of the community, because I'd like to listen to their views, but I think that's the only way everybody's going to be put together.
We are neighbours in a community, and we all should come together and help each other through thick and thin.
These events are so good because there's different colours everywhere. Everybody's got a different view. Everybody's got different stories to tell, you know, and it's so good because it's all about women, and it's to show other women how powerful you can be.
I've tried this and I love it, and I've got confidence, but I never had before.
I found my voice. It's brought me out of my shell.
It has been incredible. It genuinely life-changing. I would not be doing half the things I've done if it wasn't for that programme.
I like Bradford.
We have a massive melting pot of different cultures and diversity.
I think the environment, the people, I'm not going to say everybody's perfect, everybody's nice, but you do get really nice people.
I think there'll be a change, I think there'll be a difference. It's making a difference, really. If people can understand, and just being a friend to your neighbour makes a big difference and a big impact on the community.